Excavators are some of the most powerful machines on Earth. But what happens when they get stuck, face extreme terrain, or need to be transported across impossible landscapes? Today, we're diving into the incredible skills of expert operators as they tackle these real-world challenges. Imagine this: you're operating a 50,000-pound excavator, and suddenly it starts sinking into deep mud. Every move only makes it worse. This is where skill and teamwork come into play. Instead of panicking, these operators come up with a plan. They bring in a second excavator to dig out the trap machine and use sand to create a stable ramp. With precise bucket control and careful maneuvering, they pull off an insane recovery. Demolition isn't just about brute force, it's about control. Watch how this operator carefully takes down a 30-foot tall structure, piece by piece, ensuring safety and efficiency. But getting these massive machines to the job site is another challenge. Transporting an 80,000-pound excavator requires detailed planning. Every inch matters when loading onto the trailer, and operators must be precise to avoid tipping or damage. This is next-level skill. Mountain road with sheer drops on both sides. These operators carefully navigate tight switchbacks using spotters and inch-perfect movements to avoid disaster. One wrong move could mean a total loss. This is precision at its finest, trusting experience, the machine, and pure skill to get the job done. Excavators aren't just built for solid ground, they thrive in extreme conditions. From thick mud to unstable rock piles, these machines and their operators push the limits every day. With precise bucket movements and expert control, they keep the machine stable even on surfaces that seem impossible to work on. This is where experience makes all the difference. precise bucket movements and expert control, they keep the machine stable even on surfaces that seem impossible to work on. This is where experience makes all the difference. And finally, let's talk about raw power. Some of the largest excavators in the world can move up to 80 cubic yards of material in a single scoop that's like filling an entire truck bed in one go. From extreme rescues to mind-blowing precision, these operators make the impossible look easy. Excavators aren't just about raw power. They're about precision, control, and pushing limits. Today, we're diving into the incredible strength and finesse of these machines, from moving massive amounts of dirt to executing delicate, high-stakes tasks with pinpoint accuracy. Let's start with what excavators do best, moving serious amounts of earth. Some of the largest models, like the Caterpillar 6090 FS, can scoop up over 50 cubic yards of material in one pass that's nearly the size of a full swimming pool. not just about brute force. Operators must control each movement carefully to prevent equipment damage, maximize efficiency, and keep job sites running smoothly. It's power with purpose. Excavators aren't just about digging, they're also incredible lifting machines. With the right attachments, they can move heavy loads with extreme accuracy. Here, the operator is using just the fingertips of the controls to adjust the bucket position by inches. One small mistake could mean disaster, but with perfect coordination, everything fits exactly as planned. Excavators aren't limited to flat job sites, they're built to take on the toughest landscapes. Whether it's climbing a 40-degree slope, navigating rocky terrain, or working on loose shifting soil, these machines are designed to adapt. Notice how the operator uses the boom and bucket to maintain balance while adjusting the tracks. This technique allows them to keep working, even when conditions seem impossible. Now, let's talk about precision under pressure. Demolition jobs require total control, and wrong move could send debris crashing down in the where experience and training make all the difference. Operators must predict how materials will react, adjust angles perfectly, and always be thinking 3 steps ahead. At the highest level, excavator work is all about balancing raw strength with surgical precision. From massive mining machines filling truckloads in seconds to urban construction projects that require movements within inches, every control input, every movement, every decision, it all comes down to skill, experience, and respect for the machine. If you're as amazed as we are by these incredible machines, hit that like button and subscribe for more epic heavy equipment action. And tell us in the comments, what's the most impressive excavator skill you've ever seen? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.